Everyone's friend Neo, that's right, was popping off this morning. That's right, this baby opened up at 420, Elon Musk's favorite number. But since then, it's still up for the day, but nothing significant, just up 2 cents for the day, up 0.5%. But why was it popping off? And why is the market decided it doesn't like it that much? Well, guess what? This is rude. This is rude because this thing deserves to be back over the $4 as it should. And why is that? Because they just provided the December delivery updates. Now, don't get me wrong here. This is wonderful. 3,170 vehicles. 2,537 ES6s, 633 ES8s. Cumulative delivery so far has reached almost 32,000 total vehicles. It's fantastic for him. It's a good sign of business. So NIO delivered 3,170 vehicles in December 2019, representing a robust 25.4% month-over-month growth, contributed by strong sales from both the ES6, the company's 5-seater high-performance premium electric SUV, and the ES8, the 7-seater high-performance premium electric SUV, and its 6-seater variant of the high-performance premium electric SUV. The deliveries consist of 2,537 ES6s, 633 ES8s, an increase of 22.7 and 37.3 respectively, month over month, that is, compared with November. As of December 31, 2019, I don't know why I said it that way, aggregate deliveries of the ES6 and ES8 reached 31,913 vehicles, of which 20,565 were delivered in 2019. So that's doubled the business. I'm just saying, doubled the business from 2018. Love to see it. You love to see it. So December marked the 5th consecutive month of increasing deliveries of NIO despite the continuous softness of the overall auto industry, and in particular the significant decline of electric vehicle sales in the second half of 2019. This is a very good fact here by William Li. This Chinese auto market is struggling, but that's okay. Chairman, Chief Executive Officer of NIO. These results are attributable not only to our products and services that continue to stand out from competition in quality, performance, and pricing, but also our passionate, loyal, supportive user base. Through favorable word of mouth and referrals, our existing users remain a steady and relevant driver of new orders. Our sales also benefited from the expansion of our sales network through the continued launch of more NIO spaces. That's right. It's like a Tesla store or Tesla dealership. It's a cool thing to do. NIO spaces are real cool. With our product offering further deepened, upgraded in 2020 with the all-new ES8, the 100 kilowatt battery, and the upcoming EC6 5-seater premium electric coupe SUV. We expect our order momentum to continue going forward. Obviously, he has to add that last part. He's not going to say his business is going to decline. But, gosh darn, what can I say? This is a good quarter. It's the start of a lovely quarter, I can tell you that. So they should be having a good time. They posted results for the quarter ending September. So when we get actual results for this quarter ending December, it's going to be lovely. Gosh dang, they delivered vehicles like no other. So all we're waiting on now is finding out financing, what they're going to do to finance, because obviously they need cashish. They're going to be out of it at this point, so they're going to need to find some cash. However they do that, it is interesting. We shall see if it's a government bailout. There's potential, but in my opinion for NIO, I think expansion is pretty important. If they get good financing here, I think it's important to, this year, they need to start working on expansion. Obviously, because global auto market's not doing fantastic, but the Chinese auto market certainly isn't doing fantastic, and it's not really benefiting them that well, being where they're at right now, because it's just harder to make sales, and they still are making sales, which is fantastic. They're still growing in an auto market that is very weak in China, so it's fantastic for NIO. Had to give you this update here, and we'll see where NIO goes from here. I think it's just been so hot that this news hasn't really sparked much for investors. They probably just did some short selling once the thing popped up. They went and sold. So I think people will fund back into this. I think the next big price drop or increase potentially, the next big price change is going to come whenever they decide to announce what financing they're going to be doing. So hopefully you enjoy, and thank you for watching.